Let's go ahead and look at percents that are greater than 100. So 120%. Now 120% means that our whole is actually greater than our part, because 100% would be equal part to whole. For example, 6 over 6 would equal 100%. So we know that 120% is actually going to have a greater part than a whole. So 120%, let's go ahead and put this first into a fraction. So 120% would actually be 120 per 100. And when we simplify that down, that's actually going to be 6 over 5. Now, when we figure out our decimal 6 divided by 5, 6 divided by 5 is going to be 1.2, or 1 2/10. Let's go ahead now and look at a percent that's less than 1. Let's take a look at 0.5%. Now, 0.5%, think about it, is less than 1%. So this is a very, very small amount, so 0.5%. Let's first take a look at this as a fraction. And this gets a little bit goofy, but I think you'll be able to follow along with me. Now, 0.5% is 0.5 per 100, or 0.5 out of 100. Now, we'd never like to have a decimal or a fraction inside of a fraction. So what we want to do is we want to make this a different equivalent fraction. Now, if we multiplied each of these by 10, that's really moving the decimal each one place to the right. So if we multiply it by 10 and multiply it by 10, that's going to leave us with 5 over 1,000. Now, when we simplify 5 over 1,000, if we divide each of these by 5, we're going to be left with 1 over 200. 1 over 200. Now, if you went ahead and divided 1 by 200 to get the decimal, you would get 0.005, or 5 thousandths.